Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to discuss about the topic is TurboTax a scam, which is grabbing a lot of attention in the United States. So do watch this video till end and stay tuned while I'll share its salient features. Also do not forget to like this video, share this video and subscribe to our channel as it will boost our spirit to bring many more exciting and informative news for you. So now let's move further. So this is the official website of TurboTax where you can get done your tax management according to this website. So let's read what this website offers. So here you can put in your phone number and you can sign in. Next it says that with full service we do your taxes for you in a few easy steps. Securely share your documents so we can match you with the right tax expert. Meet the expert who is right for your unique tax situation. Go over your return together and get answers to any questions. Once you pay and give your expert the thumbs up, they will file your return. The next thing it says is your satisfaction guaranteed. TurboTax gives you the power to get your taxes done right and get your minimum refund guaranteed. Start TurboTax now and prepare your tax return for free. Pay only when you decide to e-file. Now friends, talking about the social media presence of this website, has got poor social media presence with 2.3 stars on Trustpilot, which is a genuine website to rely on. Now some reviews has been found on Trustpilot. A person commented that you basically pay $90 to talk to scripted call center agents who either hang up in your face or go by a script and do absolutely nothing to help. Also, you will wait 2 hours for nothing. I wouldn't recommend these people to my worst enemy. Another person said it does what you need, but they are always trying to get you to upgrade and buy something you probably don't need. And at the end, what you thought was free ends up costing you up to $800. The value of the service, e-filing my taxes, was only $40. Another person said broken 1098 issue this year. Same issue existed last year and they apparently didn't fix it. Customer service is lazy, patronizing, and gives lots of false information. All they do is copy and paste or read off posts from their tax experts in the community pages. But those posts tend to be rife with false information or illegal advice to input inaccurate information. Another person said that after filing my 2019 tax return with TurboTax, I expected a state income tax refund. Not only was my return denied, but I now owe the tax with penalties. Don't waste your money on this scam. It's basically you doing it alone through a software, and the so called experts never review it. It's a scam. So, guys, do comment your viewpoints on this topic and do share your experience with us through your comments. We will be glad to be a part of it. So, friends, this was the overall information available on this topic. We read all your comments over every video, guys. So, keep commenting. Please like this video, share this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel today. Be informed, be safe. Thank you.